love it.
George doing what he does best, cleaning.
Yeah.
Good morning. It's Saturday morning. We're out here working on the trailer. We're gonna run thermostat wire from over there to here and there, so we can put the air conditioners on thermostats. We got a heat kit for them, just waiting on the new control box.
No high and low, just auto and on.
Yeah.
Which is fine.
Yeah.
Now there might be.
That's the battery.
Okay. Very good.
Fire extinguisher hung there and they had a piece of carpet. The glue is not wanting to come off. George is having a fun time with it. Well, the thermostats are wired and mounted. Doug and George are still working on that. We got the heat package in for that, but we're waiting on the control boxes. They should be here next week. Then we can get all that buttoned up and we'll be able to control the air conditioners from the thermostat. And we're also converting them to heaters as well. So we'll have heat and air in here by the time it's all said and done. Don't create friction and ignite that race gas. And now we're changing lights in the truck. Getting rid of these fluorescents, the rest of them. Putting LEDs in them. Maybe. There we go. Holy snikes.
done.
So going down the road, the TV squeaks something fierce. I don't know if you can. There should be a bolt there and a bolt there in the mount to the TV. And it's the back flexing. So Doug went to get 2 more bolts so we can put that in there and take care of that. Meanwhile, while he's doing that, flashlight down. I got that light in, and it's so much brighter than that one. I'm getting ready to put that one in. And these things here, they ain't worth crap. They don't hardly put off any light. Checking things off the list. We're trying to get the truck done today if we can. George left. We're waiting on parts for the trailer. The control boxes for the heaters to wrap that project up. The tire racks have been ordered. They were ordered yesterday. So a couple weeks they should be here. They got to be built by Intech. Doug called Technocraft yesterday, but nobody answered the phone, probably because they're all at the PRI show this week. So he's going to get on that early next week, see if we can get them cabinets coming. All right, we got the TV mounted. Got this panel mounted back, new light mounted up there. So that's done. All the lights have been changed in here. Bathroom is done. Makes it a lot brighter in here, which is nicer. Making progress. So they did get this mounted Monday night. The rug's just there for now. So that's how that's going to ride in the trailer. And then at the track, it'll go down there. They did get the lubricant cabinet removed, prepping for our double cabinet to go here. I'm going to probably put the lubricant cabinet over here, or shelf I should say, cover up that mess where the fire extinguisher was. But the thermostats are mounted, labeled back air conditioner, front air conditioner. We are making progress. So here's the air compressor that's going in the trailer. Were you able to mount tires with this? Did you try it?
Deep throttle.
Oh, good gosh, that one was low. Car is gone. Daryn picked it up yesterday, take it to his house, start working on the body. He's about got the black car wrapped up. So we're carless at the shop. We will probably be making a couple road trips out to Daryn's house to help him a couple nights in the next couple weeks. I wasn't around much this week. I was here for about an hour Monday night, but forgot the SD card for my cameras. It left it in the computer. I had a lot going on, but they didn't do a whole lot. What they did do, I have showed you. So we got the Gateway Dirt Nationals next week. Looks like we're going to go watch Thursday night, Saturday night. Might take the cameras along, don't know yet. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, drop us a comment, and we will see you all later.